In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add affiliate links to your Stan store. In order to do that, first head over to their website, which is stan.store. From in there, you can proceed to click onto this continue or click onto this sign up in order to sign up for an account. Now for this, you can also proceed to log in. So just head over and click onto this login option that we can find into this part. Here is my actual Stan store. So in order to add affiliate link, you can proceed by going over right here to this my store. You can see this. Now for this part, just proceed to adding here a particular product for this. To do so, proceed to click on a particular option and head over and start selling. Click onto this add product, and then in here just choose what kind of product it is. Let's choose right here this URL/media because here is the option for the affiliate link. Once you have clicked on that, just input right here the URL for that particular affiliate link. Paste right here your links, and after that, you can select the image for it, add some text, and also once you're done, click on the this publish. So this will publish your product directly into your store and it will be found into this part. As you can see, here is our affiliate link that people can see into our actual store. You can proceed to edit it again by clicking onto these three dots and publishing this product or clicking on it in order to edit it and changing some details you have chosen so far. You can also change its button, call out, or style that it will be presented. So that's all there is today. I hope this video actually helped you out. If you have any questions, proceed to comment down on the comment section below and we'll take our time to actually answer. Thank you so much for watching.